So today, old Krusty's going to be doing some work, and this is if you've been following the videos, when they got an excavator in here and bashed in a trail, then the pier was dropped off, and it has wheels that you can roll it out there, and then you put posts up. So it's cold today, had to go in the water, lift up all the posts, crank up the wheels, and now he made a tongue. You come back here and you can look at this tongue, and it hitches up to the trailer hitch, and we're going to just pull this thing out. It's just wrapped up with a bunch of rope, and then that'll come right out of the water.
You want to wheel it? We're going to put Paul at the hammer again because he did such a good job driving that tractor the other day.
Gotta have a beer when you do this job.
Keep going.
Drop this down now?
Yeah, it has like a double swing arm contraption, and then don't let the handle get away from you either. Guess that's it.
You could put some blocks under it. So today it's kind of cold and windy, and you can see how the roots aren't very good on these trees. And the wind is taking this thing. So let's say if something changed and the wind came back and knocked it this way and hit this, it would just smash this. So I think to be on the safe side, we should get this up further.